Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a canvas view or a signature pad, whatever you want to call it, inside a native macOS application. Now I'm using SwiftUI, but if you are using AppKit, it is possible to host a SwiftUI view inside AppKit. I have already made a video on that as well on my channel. If you are interested, you can watch that. But the reason I'm using SwiftUI for this is that SwiftUI makes this very easy as compared to AppKit. That's why I'm using SwiftUI for this. So here you can see I have this particular canvas. I have 3 buttons: undo, redo and delete. And here if I can draw anything, whatever I want to. I can do undo. I will draw this 2 line. If I click on undo, then this line is gone. If I click on undo again, this line is gone. I can click redo as well to get everything back. I can delete this as well so that it is completely deleted. So yeah, that's what we can do. Let's get started. So firstly, I have created a SwiftUI application for macOS. Then I have created a Swift file called line. It is an identifiable. It takes an array of points and it takes a CG float as well as a line width, and color you can assign whatever color you want. I have kept it black default color, and ID is UUID, and I have imported foundation as well as SwiftUI. Next, I have created a SwiftUI file called drawing view, and here I have created 3 states. One for selected color. So if you want to change color, show a color picker at the top, you can do that. If it is constant, you don't really require state for it. You can just take a normal variable as well. And here I have then defined a line array for lines, and for undo lines as well I have defined one line array. Then I have taken a v stack. Here if you want to define a color picker, I have not defined it. If you want, you can do that. Then I have just imported canvas. Then we are just looping over the lines array which we have. Then we are just creating a path with the help of points from our line, and then we just do context.stroke, pass our path, pass our dot color, line dot color, and line width is 4. Then we do a gesture of drag gesture. Minimum distance is 0, and on changed we get the particular value. So here we basically check if value dot translation dot width plus height is equal to 0, then we append that particular line to our lines. Otherwise we just get the lines dot count -1 index and append that particular location to our lines array. And then over inside this stack I have just created 3 buttons. So on for click of this undo button, we are just removing the last line and just doing undo lines dot append. So we are just appending it to our undo lines variable. For redo, we are just removing the last from our undo lines and appending back to our line. And for delete, we are just making both lines and undo lines as empty array. And for create path, so I have created a method as well. So here we are just initializing our path, and if the first line dot first, so we are getting the first point, moving to that particular first point with the help of path dot move. And if the line dot count is greater than 2, then we are just doing for index in I less than line dot count, we calculate the midpoint. So for that again I have created this. Now I don't know about this calculation, like I have pretty much copied it from online documentation. So yeah, and then we just do path dot add chord curve to our mid, and here we just get the index -1, so that particular line. And if it is last with the, we just do path dot add line to last and return our particular path. And inside content view you just have to add your drawing view. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.